Good morning, student. How are you all? Okay, we're going to start with a new chapter in the algebra. Lesson number 1, linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. So already we have studied in 9th standard that the linear equation in two variables means what? The definition that I have mentioned in the board is an equation which contain two variables and the degree of each term containing variables is 1 is called linear equation with two variables. Now listen here, I underline here two variables. Variables means what? The alphabet in the equation is called a variables. For example, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here a, b and c are the real numbers, but x and y is two variable with index 1. With index 1. The index of this variable is not mentioned here. That means the index is 1. Now this is called a general form of a linear equation with a two variable. Once again we will go to the definition. An equation, this is an equation which contain two variable. So variable I have said here already that x and y are the two variable with a degree in the each of the term. Degree means the index of the each of the term is 1. Therefore this equation is called a linear equation in two variable. So the general form of this equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real number. Now what do you mean by real number? Real number means any number which can be a positive, negative, square root form, square form, any of the number is called as a real number. So here a, b and c are the real number and x and y are the variable with the power with the index 1. For example, if I write 5x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0, so here a, b and c, in the place of a, b and c, the number is 5, b the number is minus 2 and for the c the number is 3. But the variable is x and y. X and y are the variable. So this is called as a linear equation with a two variable. Now page number 1 for the textbook. In the textbook linear equation in two variable, the first chapter, it is already mentioned that the definition also and the example also. So we will come to the activities. Complete the following table. The activities is given over there. The first activity 1. So let me explain you that many of the linear equation with a two variable, we have to come to the point according to the definition. If the definition is true, we can call it is a linear equation with two variable. So let me give some example, more example of a linear equation. The first example, 4m plus 3n equal to 12. 4m plus 3n equal to 12. So here the two variable is m and n. The index is already 1. So therefore this is called as a linear equation with two variable. The C form is gone in the right hand side. The C form is in the right hand side. If you bring the C form here, it will be in the form of this. So plus 12 will be converted into minus 12. So 4m plus 3n minus 12 equal to 0, where a, b and c is 4, 3 and minus 12 and the variable is m and n. So this is a example for the linear equation with a two variable. More example, 3x square minus 7y is equal to 13. So is it a linear equation or not? is it a linear equation or not? So according to the definition, the index of the variable should be 1, but the index is 2. Index is 2. So therefore it is not a linear equation. Right? So it is more than 1, we can say more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the index is more than 1, it is not a linear equation with a 2 variable. So let me explain the new example. Root 2x minus root 5y equal to 16. So as I said before, by the definition, A, B and C should be a real number. So here in the activities 3, root 2, root 5 is a real number. Whether it may be in the root, but it is a real number. So we can say it is a linear equation with a 2 variables. So this is yes, and this one is no. So fourth question, 0x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. Right? So 0x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. So here 0x means what? 0x means 0 into x. 0x are 0. Plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. See here, in the definition we can see that A, B, C are real number, but A and B are not equal to 0. Means A and B should be not equal to 0. So I will add here that A and B should be not equal to 0. C can be equal to 0. C can be equal to 0. C, the number, only the number can be equal to 0. But A and B should not be equal to 0. So, but here in the activities 4, question number 4, the A is given 0. A is given 0. So, therefore, it is not a linear equation. Right? So, A, B should be not equal to 0. C can be equal to 0. Correct? For example, one more activities, 5x minus 5x minus 0y minus 5 equal to 0. So, is it a linear equation or no? Come on, say it. Yes, it is not a linear equation because here the value of b is equal to 0. It should not be equal to 0. So therefore it is also not a linear equation. So you all have been understood what do you mean by linear equation with the 2 variable by following activities. Some example is mentioned here and also from the definition. So once again let me explain the definition. We'll go through once more. An equation which contain 2 variable. Equation which contain 2 variable. So here the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The 2 variable is x and y. And the index of the variable should be equal to 1. So index is 1. It should not be more than 1. It should be, index should be 1 only. And a, b and c are the real number, but a and b should not equal to 0 and c can be equal to 0. Example for this we can say 3x plus 4y plus 0 equal to 0. So c is equal to 0. So therefore it is an linear equation. But a and b should not equal to 0. So enough for the definition. Let me come with the exercises. I hope you have understood all this concept and definition and some activities and the example of it. Thank you. We'll come to the next video with the practice set.